Hello guys, welcome back to the programming guide channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to stream on YouTube with OBS Studio. So first thing you have to do is set up your system, your PC, and once you're done you're going to open up your OBS Studio. Make sure you have that already. So you're going to open it up and you're going to press plus. Sorry, I will just open that up quickly, and you're going to see plus below the source right here. Click on it and you're going to select the display caption. Once you select that, the next thing you have to do is you have to click on OK. So once you click on OK, you're going to see where it says select display right here. So you already selected, so you click on OK. Once you click on OK, you're going to come to your right side and you're going to see settings. Click on settings and you're going to skip this. Click on stream and you have to select YouTube right here. So once you click on YouTube, you have to click on connect account right here. So they're going to take you through a phase of authorization, so you just have to do the authorization. So I'll quickly log in using my account and I'll click on continue. You can see it's done, so I'm just going to close this up. So once I'm done, you're going to click on OK. Once you click on OK, you're going to see this part right here. So you're going to click on that. You're supposed to actually see okay. So once you're here, you're going to come down here where it says manage cast, and okay, live streaming is not able to select YouTube channel, so just go back and see what I missed out. Okay, let's see what it has to say. Okay, because I'm not eligible, standard features. Oh my god, so I have to actually go through this before I'll be able to live stream. Oh my god, I'm so sorry guys. So once you're done, you're going to click on this manage on where it says, let me just quickly show you. Let's just cancel this for now, and this place where it says manage broadcast, you're going to click on that and it's going to actually bring it to your YouTube live studio, and you click on select stream. Once you click on select stream, you can now start streaming from there, but because I'm not eligible for that, I can actually live stream on YouTube. So that's literally how to live stream on YouTube using your OBS, right? So it's very simple and easy to do. Yes, so if you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and you please subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.